My name is Chantal Nunez. I work for the FMD department. I'm here to talk about the products that we use to clean the surrounding. This is the Hydrolite hospital grade, approved by the CDC. It kills most of the viruses, including the coronavirus. We use this spray to clean high places, such as the bathroom area. This is the wipes that we use to clean the elevators, the doorknobs, the keyboards, and the desk. And also the spray that we give to the staff to clean the computers and their surrounding areas.